Meaning of fairy liquid.
Fairy liquid.
Fairy liquid.
Fairy liquid.
Fairy liquid. Fairy liquid is a brand name for a type of dishwashing detergent. The product is known for its ability to effectively remove grease and grime from dishes, leaving them sparkling clean. Its formula contains a blend of surfactants, which are substances that break down oily or greasy substances into smaller particles that can be washed away easily with water. The result of using fairy liquid is clean and shiny dishes without the need for excessive effort or scrubbing. It has become a household name in many countries around the world due to its cleaning power and effectiveness.